Kids remember firsts forever. Our job is to notice them, name them, and mark them. Hey y'all, happy Trail Talk Tuesday. Bringing you guys along on a hike, sharing my thoughts, things that are on my mind. Today I'm talking about micro rites of passage. Rites of passage don't have to have bagpipes and fanfare. All they need is attention. Today I'm gonna give you a menu of real milestones that you can name and pass on to your kids. Pick a few before you go out on adventures and hikes with them. Award it to them when you get done with the adventure, back to the car. Relive it at dinner. It's something that they're gonna carry with them. Let me tell you what I mean. The idea is that you just call out and you name the thing that your kid is doing for the first time. Carrying their own water bladder and using a water bladder for their own hydration, managing their own water. Come up with a name for it. Backpack bearer, hydration master, pack carrier, junction decider. 100 names like that you can come up with. I'll give you some more examples in a minute. The idea is that you announce the goal first. If you know you're gonna be going on a hike with creeks, tell them they're gonna earn their creek crosser, a creek crosser, water forder, whatever it is, you know, and then do something to commemorate the moment. Take a picture, give a fist bump, have a snack, draw a little star on their hat with a Sharpie, come up with some goofy secret handshake, whatever it is. And then make sure you relive it, retell it. When you get to dinner that night, tell mom, call grandma and grandpa, get them to tell them what right they earned that day. They're gonna love it, they're gonna remember it, and they're gonna want more. So I'll rattle off some more ideas for you. Come up with your own, but feel free to use these too. Things like first mile finisher, first 5K finisher, first 5 mile finisher, so on and so forth. Big hill climber, downhill trail crusher, night hike rookie, pack carrier, layer chief, snack quartermaster, hydration marshal, not apprentice, not tire, signal officer, signal bearer, route reporter, junction scout, lookout scout, pace captain, trail etiquette pro, safety czar, leave no trace ranger, wildlife protector, wildlife guardian, animal track finder, shelter seeker, weather watcher. You get the idea. Turn stepping stones into milestones. And pro tip, keep a log. Just throw a note in your phone every time you award one. Date, milestone, location, maybe a sentence about the day. Before long, you'll have a whole family history field guide full of memories that you can relive and build upon. Try it on your next outing. See how it goes. If you haven't, please like and subscribe. And drop a comment. What's the best milestone that you can think of? What's the best milestone name that you can come up with? Drop it in the comments, I'd love to hear it. Until next time, happy trails.